What's the meaning of cosily? Cosily. Cosily.
Cosily. Cosily. Cosily is an adverb that means in a warm, comfortable, and intimate way. It suggests coziness, relaxation, and a feeling of security, as if being wrapped in a soft blanket on a cold winter day. When something is described as cosily, it gives the impression of being snug and inviting. This term is often used to describe environments such as homes, bedrooms, cafes, or restaurants, which offer a warm and homely atmosphere for people to relax and unwind. Overall, cosily implies comfort, warmth, and a sense of intimacy that makes us feel safe and contented.